roots won't grow in an area where there's no water and oxygen. So under your foundation, if you've got a slab foundation, not a big deal. They're not going to grow under there. However, they will grow under the sidewalk. They will grow under the street because water percolates underneath there. And so you see it all the time, these older neighborhoods and the heights and surrounding Bunker Hill and all that. You've got sidewalks that are like, but at the base here is the root flare. That's actually the graft point. And it keeps going down. Trees at the nurseries are horrible. I've yet to see a good nursery. But they almost all bury the root flares. It's very, very bad because it suffocates it. It's the most common pathogens. You'll actually get roots that come up and they'll wrap around. We call them girdling roots. When you see little girdling roots at the root flares at the very base, go ahead and sniff them while you're there. It's not going to harm the tree doing little stuff like that. If you cut big roots, it could, so just be careful. And you want to make sure you pick a quality stock too that doesn't have those problems. The good news about young trees, they're very resilient. So if you get little things like girdling roots, you go ahead and take care of it then. Much easier to bounce back than once, let's fast forward 10 years down the road. Now it's done a lot of damage, now you're going to have a big problem.